You can find the changes history on your Looker Studio reports so you don't miss anything and you don't waste any time. If I go to edit, and after you enable the publishing settings, you will see draft version, and if you click there, you will see version history. Here you will find all the changes that you have done to your reports, and actually I can rename them. Let's say I just changed the name of this report or the title of this report, and now it is called Marketing Dashboard Draft. So I will rename it so I know that I did that change. Click here on the ellipsis icon, rename, and it will be called draft title. But I want to reverse all the changes from yesterday. So here I will find these changes at this time, and I will publish and I will restore this new version. Now my dashboard has a past version, and I can keep it. But what about if I want to revert these changes to my latest version of my dashboard? Here I can choose again the draft title, I can enable it again, and I can restore this version. And here's how you can do version control on Google Looker Studio.